cause mommy, can mommy ni maleni mana mi sheda. Kajiola cause mommy, can mommy ni maleni mana mi sheda. Wale mommy kami bawa, wale mommy kami pala hami mi sheda. But some mommy know how me shada. They do. Bunny me some, but some mommy can't warm your whole quala. Can me fake a day for some no budget me she weighs on. In camitation, will a bank a mommy no come on. Smabo, dede mi smabo, sumami no hami mi shada. Mi smabo, dede mi smabo. Kajiola cause mommy, ke mommy ni maleni mana mi shada. Mi shada. Kajiola cause mommy, ke mommy ni maleni mana mi sheda. Wale mommy kami bawa, wale mommy kami pala hami mi sheda. Dedo bani mi sumo, but some mommy no hami mi sheda. Dedo Bunny me some, but some mommy can't warm your whole quala. Can me fake a day for some no budget me she weighs on. In camitation, will a bank a mommy no come on. Me some bo, did me some, but some mommy no hami me shada. Kajiola cause mommy, ke mommy ni maleni mana mi sheda. Kajiola cause mommy, ke mommy ni maleni mana mi sheda. Wale mommy kami bawa, wale mommy kami pala hami mi sheda. Dedo bunny me some, but some mommy know hami mi sheda. Dedo bunny me some, but some mommy can't warm your whole quala. Can me fake a day for some no budget me she weighs on. In camitation, will a bank a mommy no come on. Me smabo, dede mi smabo, some mommy no hami mi shada. Me smabo, dede mi smabo. Kajiola cause mommy, ke mommy ni maleni mana mi sheda. Kajiola cause mommy, ke mommy ni maleni mana mi sheda. Wale mommy kami bawa, wale mommy kami pala hami mi sheda. Dedo bunny me some, but some mommy no hami mi shada. Dedo bunny me some, but some mommy can't warm your whole quala. Can me fake a day for boss mono bajomi she way song. Incamination, le banke mommy no come on. Miss Mabo, dede Miss Mabo, some mommy no hami me shada. Miss Mabo, dede Miss Mabo. Kani mugo babu, kebalo babu, bohe, bohe. Kefia ya no ya boy benko to infang. Kani mugo babu, kebalo babu, bohe. Nene bine ni mo fe mo ye bane. Otoklo wane lololo. La tele, la te coco, te lai, te lai. La tele, la te coco, te lai, te lai.
I want to thank you first of all for coming here, and actually it's very nice for us to have you guys have this initiative around the community because it's something that is needed, especially in this moment in time. It's very nice the labor that you're doing, and we want to be very thankful to you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming. We're really glad to have you here with Sika, working with Sika. It's really important for us because sustainability and helping local population, etc., is one of the objectives at Sika. So thank you again for this.
Thank you.
So I am Robert Mensah-Dankwa. I'm the finance manager for Limebrook.
Oh, okay.
Limebrook is a logistics company. We operate warehousing services around the area here. And we've seen your proposal for the clean-up exercise towards the festival. So we have something small here to give you to support your work.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning once again. We standing here, we are co-youth Asafo. And we are about to celebrate our festival, the HoMoWo festival. So we decide to do a cleaning up exercise in the whole township. So we have done that, and here is where we are ending. We are saying a very big thank you to Ghana Oil, for taking part of this cleaning exercise and for the sponsorship we received from them. We thank them very much. And also for Sika building plan. Yeah, Sika building trust. Sika building trust. We are saying a very big thank you to you too. We appreciate all your efforts very well. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, imagine. Even if we buy the money, can you buy now? You're getting people. You're not getting na tale. When you work on affiches, ni ke okona ke wakutia mi ekomecho ki fiu no wo HoMoWo mo ke letter ha go ke Sika channel Ghana limited ake wonta wo sa wa fitu no ami ha wo ibe ami ha wo tips ke atade ni wo ba ni wo ke tuni wo be te shia mi wo cheche nyeme oblayi ke yememe ife wo je shishiga je ape ma mi wo cho je mi afi electoral wo fe ne ke ni fe mo na ke chon old Lawrence station ke cho school junction wo gbe na Pentecost junction je mo ne ka wo gbe na wo gbe ko na kra hunu na ewa no wo ba for me wo be ko ko mi wo ba sa wo ba no ko fe mo ko ni ogo wo tue no na wo ne ke ni fe mo na mi next week wo shop na bo mo de no fita ko no sa ma no ma ra for mi ra do awo ya ko eni
Lomi e wale yo. Tẹ́tí wọ́n fẹ́ wọ́n bá tẹ̀sí. Ní wọ́n fẹ́ wọ́n máa falẹ̀falẹ̀ ní wọ́n máa màṣí ẹ̀. Wọ́n ẹ̀ bá yà nà ọ̀dọ̀ bá. Àjí ọ̀mẹ máa jí gbọ́ máa nà ọ̀yẹ́ kí ìbùnú ní wọ́n náà. Wọ́n náà bẹ ní àmì fún àmì níbi àmì hàn. Wọ́n ká jí pẹ́lẹ́ ẹ̀ bá jẹ kò yẹ wọ́n ní ẹ̀yẹ bí ẹ̀. Wọ́n náà wọ́n ẹ̀ wò. Ìdá wọ̀ wọ́n ẹ̀ bá wò. Wọ́n á sọ̀lẹ̀ àgàṣí. Many support wọ̀. Kẹ̀fẹ́ clean up exercise ní ẹ̀. Àmbá bàdá náà ń bá support wọ̀ nàkà. Ni ame wo hewale ni wanya wakachuli ye feneke nyeka nyame
ya
cheme ke nyeme lele to me di wo nyeme ke ame to nyame mi ba ni fene do ma ya ke ni no be di jasida ha wo nyeme ame sumo ko no ya do ni wo ke fu ame yin ame ku ame ko abi wo ke fu ame yin ame ku ame ko abi ame ke support ni di wa mo e wa wo do ba e fi ake so wo gbedian e wo ba paint wo gbedian so mo we need to wo mo mi wo ba fu na tani ni wo ke sida fe ha ni mi do mo ti ni ame yuradon ake awon me sima ke ko aya fi ko ache fale ni yuradon